Shubor nakaslem jong Nongtrei Hima.
Uba HM Shanpliang ubaday UMLA Kamausanram constituency. Mentagas ngi ulalet ban syang bat ai ke Jingkyrshan. Yagi Nongtrei ka Tnad 108 ki badan hapok ka Shatri jong ka Meghalaya Emergency Management and Research Institute Workers Union memribu. Ki bala penlong ya ka jengki jongki hakmat ka office jongki EMRI. Uba Shanpliang ulapan pau ka jing sngaw diaw halor ka jing uat bat ka jing ka baki te ki Nongtrei ka Tnad 108 ki man. Hadian baka sorkar kam sngap satya ya ka jing dawa jongki. Henry nakapor syakapor ka yayong baka dangpen bat kmi ya kita ki jing Henry hadu mentaru ka sorkar tang syukulamru kampat prut dak hangno ru banle ya kanu ka kam ban yarap ya kita ki Nongtrei ka 108. Ulabu jengkeli bahatu ka sorkar ka kelut ni ka matla ban yoi bat pet ya ka jing jongki Nongtrei ki bala dawa ya ki jing dawa jongki. Uba Shanpliang ula ongru bahakapor badan ka klam ko bet kat kendai. Kidai kini ki Nongtrei ki bala tre shitom bat ki bala bo ya ka jing jongki hakmat ban syakri ya upat ba. Henry menta dala sok ka perthei hatu ka sorkar kan leklet no yaki.
Shisha haba ngasngap ya ka jing jongki ni ngaso pangnot ba ngani thu ifi ba kini ki parlok ki batre hapo ka 108 kidon ki pilot kidon ki paramedics kidon ki batre hapo ka emergency response center kumta terter kidon la ka jong ka jing bat la ka jong ka jing ut jongki hoi hangi ki pat ba ni sosok habang i phone 108 Shipang la poi ka ambulance ban kit iki bahiyang bahasem ban Leit ban Raj hospital. Drengim tip ba pleng kini kiju ki perlok ki bawan ban yarap yangi ban kit ban ba ya ki bahiyang bahasem hakapor ke emergency ki yarap ya pi ne yanga da ka jing sul diaw ka mesem joki. Ka jing diaw balai ba ka sorkar kam sngap ya ki jing dawa joki. Mentah kamdei kesin ka benengkong ba kini ki perlok kia strike kumni ngilayo i man usnem man ka ngriu benai kini ki julej bandawan ka sorkar ya ka hok joki ka sorkar ka sngap man ka sorkar ka lek kelut ka syuai ki assurances ba ka ong ngindang eksamen ngindang pej andre hadu mentah ka ni klip matru ka sorkar tang shikulam ru kampat proj dak hangno banle ya kan no ka kam banirap iki de ki perlok juni ngaso diaw bat ngaso don ke jingdom hapo mesim nomor ba ke sorkar kala use yakini ki Nongtrei jongi bat kala overuse yaki beyond the timings paki ki de hok Nongtrei perlok be phi la ban yo sngo na ka sentur jongi ni Nongtrei bahaka emergency response center kabadai bandon ngriumot ki Nongtrei hakoi ka shift idon tang iway iban trei ban receive ban pick up ya ka calls yung phi haba pripan ya ka jingerap haba phi dial 108 idon tang iway iban yo ban receive ki call yung phi bat lada itne iba up ya ka call yung phi idang engage hakoi ka line kamut ka to ka way ka call ka ba phi call de se kinum la ban pick up namar ba idang bun ktien shaway ban pha jingerap shaway kamot ha ka to ka emergency ba le lada don kam ya ka 108 phinum la ban yo ka sorkar kala de ban bu ngriungut per shift ha ka ne ka duty baki khot ka emergency response center kumbang itip mangi menta don tang iwe ibatrei ini ita ibatrei idon kam ban Leit bam idon kam break imla ba insyong ar pusaw kantahan to ban receipt ki calls kay kadaw baka sorkar kasngap kay kadaw baka sorkar kali kelut kali matla iki berkhoy kini te kila Leit ban pensngo bang idon kam brew idon kam manpower hakan ka emergency response center. Why is the government quiet? Why is the government silent? Is the department officials deaf or are they blind? How can only one person man the emergency response center? whereas there should have been 6 personnel manning phone calls from all over the state. Ka 108 emergency service center ka day for the whole state. Haba phone 108 kala bandai na Bakmara, kala bandai na Phulbari, kala bandai na Kliriat, kala bandai nangno any corner of the state ka one shwa hakane ka emergency response center. How can one person attend calls from all over the state? I want the department officials to answer this to me. Whereas there should have been 6 people who are manning this center per shift. There is only 1 person manning this center now. Immediate action has to be taken, and immediate replacement has to be done, and recruitment has to be done by placing, as per the norms, shift-wise 6 personnel round the clock in this emergency response center. This is what I demand from the government and from the health department, that action should be taken immediately on this. Why is GVK EMRI services getting poorer day by day? I have a strong doubt. There is a lot of cost cutting here.
Yes.
The management of the GVK EMRI is cutting cost by not employing personnel as per norms. Now, as per ambulance, there should have been 6 people to do the shift. Per shift, 6 people should be running the ambulance. We have just 2 people running the ambulance now. Who is cutting the cost here? Can I ask the health department to inquire into this matter? I would like the health department to go deeper into all these malpractices done by the GVK EMRI, and thereby causing all our friends here to suffer, to perform duties. Katno ngidap dakajing so kemen but ngidei ban ai ka buram syakini ki Nongtrei jong ka 108 bah ars nem kapor covid mano balek ban kit ban ba yaki met yap mano balek ban kit ban wanra yaki nongpang bayo covid naki sinong baper ban wanra sigi hospital amdai kini kini ki parlok kila res yaka jingim jongki bakin syakri yangi ki pai ba mentang anda suk ke pertai ngin lek klet no ikine balai ka sarkar kamatla ya ke Jingkyrshan sitom jong kini ars nem kini ngiyo i de tangki 108 sisa ki bakit bapa ya ubah pangru tu ya bayap ru kini tanda lementa apa dia himsngap ya ke jing dawa jong kini PI khatsan hajar lump sum salary ki. These personnels are paid 15,000 per month lump sum, irrespective or whatever services they perform. A pilot gets 15,000, a paramedic gets 15,000, a personnel who has been here for the last 10 years in the service gets 15,000, a personnel who has just joined 1 month back gets 15,000. I don't see any logic here. I do not see any logic. I do not understand what are the parameters that the GVK EMRI is introducing. What are the parameters that the government is introducing? That there is no uniformity in the payment of salary. Nor do they get any increments, nor do they get any TA nor DA. And what is happening? Why is the government not listening to these people? They are also our brothers and sisters. They are our children. They need to be taken care of. I urge upon the government that as much as you had the chief minister, the health minister, everybody had shown accolades and praised other services who have performed their duties during COVID, these 108 personnel also, they deserve that same kind of accolades, same kind of appreciation for all the sacrifices that they have done during these 2 years of COVID. These people are the ones who carried the dead bodies. These are the ones who carried the sick, the COVID patients from the respective villages to the hospitals. And how can we ignore them now? How can we not listen to their pains, their agonies? I urge upon the Chief Minister, I urge upon the Health Minister to kindly look into this matter, to kindly ponder on the agonies, on the pains of all these friends who are on strike here. There are a lot of malpractices that is happening in the functioning of the GVK Emery. This has to be reviewed and this has to be corrected. All the posts that are vacant, the emergency response center needs to be looked into, because there's only one manpower that is running the whole state receiving calls. This is not fair. Di namar kata nga kentu ya ke sorkar bahkan immediately ban penbet ya kan ikakam kenang ba kini ki padlok jongi kin leit laka jong ka duty upat ba manta u shitom u jenjar namar ba aba u phone 108 omdan ambulance ban leit ban kit ban ba iki baro ki briu jongi ki badon shanong kendom kimla ban yo ya ka services jo ka 108 ki hap siu pisa shibon ban leit ban siu ki ambulance ki ba yai private te mentara lada kini ki ambulance na ka 108 ki shongsa kum ni mano ban leit rap ya ki pai ba jongi ki bahasor lan ki bahanong